Hello students, today I am here to discuss briefly upon alkane and alkene. You must be wondering why are we discussing this before we have not discussed the organic compounds. So you must be aware of the fact that organic compounds are normally the ones that we are to study come from CH4. This is methane, C2H6, this is ethane. So you see there is a pattern. When carbon increases by 2, hydrogen also would increase by 2, which means the general formula of the homologous series is CnH2n. So this is my normal organic compound. However, when this organic compound goes on to react with maybe a halogen, haloalkynes or any kind of other elements in nature, then we have different organic compounds being formed. These organic compounds could be saturated or unsaturated. Now you must have heard the term of saturated. Saturated would refer to those organic compounds which do not have the capacity of accepting any other electrons from any other compound or element. For example, CH4. We know that carbon is a tetravalent atom, and here I am sharing the 4 carbon atoms with the 4 hydrogen atoms. In this situation, the methane becomes a saturated hydrocarbon. On the contrary, H, 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 H. You can see here that ethane also becomes, although it shares only 3 hydrogen per carbon atom, but due to the bonding between both the carbon atoms, you can see that C2H6 also becomes a saturated hydrocarbon. What that means is the entire alkane family is a saturated hydrocarbon, which means they cannot accept any other organic compound, any other elements to react in most of the cases. Now, alkane. Okay, so you see this alkane. The way this alkane is formed, the generic formula that I am giving you here is CnH2n plus 2. What I mean by this formula is C, let's say I take a C4 H8 plus H10. So this alkanes are saturated in nature. Alkenes are unsaturated. I'll tell you how. Let's say C4 H8 minus 2 H6. See here. Hold on. So this becomes my CH3 C. Okay. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are covered with 6 hydrogen, but even then they are unshared oxygen, unshared electrons in carbon, which would lead to the formation of a new compound. So alkenes are primarily unsaturated and alkanes are saturated. The properties that alkane will show will be less than the one that will be different from the alkene, because once my alkene reacts with any other element, the properties of that element will also show an effect on this alkene compound. But on the case of alkane, since there is saturation, higher alkenes though can react with any other elements, mainly halogens or halides or alcohols, but this kind of an alkane reaction will be a slow reaction. Being unsaturated, alkenes can react with a number of compounds, and also one important thing to remember before we close down this short discussion is alkene, since it reacts with other elements also, the bigger the size of the alkene molecule, the lesser the solubility in water, because the hydroxy compounds are waxy in nature. So if you have any concerns about this short discussion, mention in the description and let us know about it. Thank you. Have a good day.